Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be doing an all-day clean with me. The kids are going back to school tomorrow, so I want the house to be nice and tidy so we can have a nice relaxing morning. I feel like when you wake up to a clean house, the day just starts off great.
I've got the time to show my love what it's all about. Fading up, fading down below the laser guns. I've got a heart that has been traumatized. Don't wake me up, my dreams can never lie.
You guys, I just wanted to say thank you all so much for 700 subscribers. I honestly didn't think I would grow this fast, and it's all because of you guys. My heart is so full. You all are seriously awesome. I know we have a lot of new people here, so I want to introduce myself. My name is Nicole. I'm a mother of 4 with 1 on the way. I make all kinds of cleaning videos. If you enjoy this kind of content and you are new, I would love for you to subscribe and join my YouTube family. Again, thank you all so much for the love and support.
To show your love and have a second thought. It's all a blur. It's hard to remember what you forgot. Don't wake me up, don't wake me up. My dreams can never lie. I got so much more. Don't give me I got so much more to give. Don't leave me alone. So much more to give you. Don't leave me
So you guys, after I got done making this video, I realized that I didn't even dust the other side of the bed. Talk about pregnancy brain.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I would get up again. I would get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I would get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I would get up again. Stronger than I ever been.
Now I'm just gonna fold some clothes, and I don't know if you guys can see, but Miss Amelia is in her bed, And in my last video, I talk about how she hasn't been sleeping and she's been climbing out of her bed. But you guys, she falls asleep, and thank God, because mama needs a break.
I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump. Oh, what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. You go again without remorse, without heart. In your head, you're right, but in my head, you are the bad. I wanna show to the world that you're the bad one. You was being bad. That you stole my love, you stole my time, you stole my heart. You begged me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. You begged me to come out with you.
And there it is, you guys. The tablet is going down. She is asleep.
What are you doing here? 'Cause I don't love you, boy. I wanna show to the world that you're the bad one. You always being bad. What are you doing here? 'Cause I don't love you, boy. I wanna show to the world that you're the bad one. You always being bad. You begged me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. You begged me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. You begged me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. You begged me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. What are you doing here? 'Cause I don't love you, boy. I wanna show to the world that you're the bad one. You always being bad. What are you doing here? 'Cause I don't love you, boy. I wanna show to the world that you're the bad one. You always being bad. What are you doing here? 'Cause I don't love you, boy. I wanna show to the world that you're the bad one. You always being bad.
Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a
So here I am using the Method Wood for Good Daily Cleaner. I've really been enjoying it. I know I've talked about it in previous videos, but I just love the way it makes my wood nice and shiny, and I think it smells amazing. What's your favorite wood cleaner? Let me know in the comments.
No, I can't forget, no. When I saw you on the dance floor, oh, I saw you who saw me first. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, 'cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, 'cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag. That's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag. It's too important, should be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Lose control of myself. Can't find you anywhere. Been trying for too long. I give up, I'm out of luck. Been looking everywhere. It doesn't make sense, no. So bring it back. Cause I need you on the dance floor. 4 a.m. and we go home. I guess it's history now and I shouldn't care but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger. Cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud. Didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
You guys, I want to apologize for the lighting. It was raining all day in Chicago and it was just really dark and gloomy.
It's too important, should be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Cause I need you on the dance floor. 4 a.m. and we go home. I guess it's history now and girl, you should wear a name tag. I didn't realize the danger. Cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with
from a different star, flying over streets and the broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the leaves. Ooh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. We're from a different time, yeah, we're of a different breed. 'Cause what we got is timeless, we supersede. And we hold in the key, yeah, we're tight as can be. We're rolling, just like we please. Ooh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. We're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. Gonna let the world know.
Alright, you all, that is it for today's video. I hope it gave you some motivation. Please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks again for all the love and support. You all are seriously the best. See you all in my next one, and as always, have a wonderful day.